Hi, Marco Lopez here on the show floor of InfoComm 2026. We're introducing the FreeSpeak Cell product, and as the name says, it's a cellular product. It's part of the FreeSpeak family, but now boasts a cellular radio that is capable of doing both LTE or 4G and as well 5G. Now you can do that in both private or commercial, depending on the SIM that you choose to use with the product. Like FreeSpeak Icon, it has all these great features. It's the only belt pack with 9 channels that are available to you. It also has the Bluetooth capability for a full cordless experience, and you also have the ability of using the device along with all of the other FreeSpeak families. So whether you're using it with an Arcadia, an Avalon, or an Eclipse platform, you can mix and match FreeSpeak Cell with FreeSpeak 2, with FreeSpeak Edge, all in that same ClearComm ecosystem. We're really excited about the product, and also it was great to see that the industry thinks greatly about it as well. We won 3 industry awards here at the show. If you have any additional questions, come visit us here at the show floor at InfoComm, or at the same time, you can go visit our website at www.clearcomm.com.